I guess you just touch it to get it going. There you go. I'm talking about the video, not the engine. I'm videoing you, but I couldn't figure out how to do it. That cam is a little off.
For an automatic.
Yeah.
I would not fix it for an automatic, personally.
And you know, I told Jerry too, I said putting a C4 behind this thing. So
yeah.
He knew.
If you go to put it in gear, it's going to snap your neck. And then it's going to be a little bit hard to drive.
Probably. I wonder if I got a different stall on the converter. Well, no, they only probably have one stall on that converter, right? I maybe ought to call Flathead and ask them.
That's a good cam for a trailer tractor. A little bit wild for an automatic. What do you think?
I think so. The way it's loping right now, I do. You know, I don't know how it's going to handle it. But
I thought it was a little wild.
But I mean, it sounds really good.
Oh yeah,
I mean, it's
crisp and everything, but it's a little bit.
for the application, I'm a little concerned.